How to upload a video to BlueSky. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can upload a video to BlueSky. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to upload a video to your BlueSky account, you're just going to follow up the same process that you usually do in order to create a post. In order to do so, after opening up your BlueSky application and logging into your account, you'll be finding a pen icon at your home screen. Simply tap on it. After tapping on it, on the bottom, you can find gallery option, including a video roll and camera and GIF option. So you may just simply click on the camera and record a video at the moment, or you may just select a video from your camera roll. I'm just going to tap on this video roll option. After that, I'm just going to select a video that is already available on my device. After you are done uploading, it is easily available on your screen right now. So you may also add a caption if you want, like what kind of caption you want for that particular video. You may just add. So after that is done, at the bottom you can see processing video option. Just wait for the video to be processed. After that, simply click on post and wait for the post to be completed. It may take about a minute, so you may just wait for it. And there you go, your post has successfully been published. You may just head over to your account at the bottom left and you can find your video that you have just uploaded. It may take a while for it to load completely, but your video has been successfully completed or posted, just like I did on my account as well. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.